kmie kpa jong khynnah skul hakasngi balang haka jingleit banjurip ya kapany mau skul dala dehi kilalap ya jingbom khuj bom suba jong katiga skul nadu ka jingsma ki jaka bar na ka jingbom biang ka hak bakimla ban shah ya jingsma bat katno tam lele ya khynnah skul kiba kapor jong ki kabun ha skul ban hayi hasam kilalap ru baka saudong sakun kamlong ka bakhuj basuba ka jingbom biang ka jaka lekai haka bala sakhiru bakiladap satang ki phlang ki barben klem dapen khuj satya ka jingbom shimkhia jong kibor paniat jong katiga skul kelapan diau berwanra ka jingbom hunshu ya kmie kpa ban pha skul ya laki jong khun ban pha pule penang penstat ha katiga skul sarkar
Yes, water now.
Okay, this is new, no? But the old one is...
Ani kalau isah met kita membuat mengi bisik na long ta. Toilet jogi, kita mau jogi kentai. Kalau kami ni ketika bangun kita pas they are accessible gitu pas jadi nak ni senang buat. Tapi suka no. Ini kami sampai ini lagi perjalanan pergi toilet lagi. Kenapa kinyo infection itu dengan kita entah kita sedang infection atau kita kadang bet pasal dah yang kadang dia nanti kayak ke bandung di luar tapi saya tu lagi mai itu semua itu bangku ini jadi jengkut ini semua kadang santam juga orang dari hayang ni tentang sekolah tu dan kami kena nomor untuk undang di mana juga tak kena sekolah kalau lagi pun cuma itu di pagi dia wanita tu kena yang anak pun kau yang kimbo sekelas tu kiri kelimara besar, mungkin bikin Malaysia bahasa sekolah, mungkin coba aja kaya aku dalam sekolah. Jadi berapa itu pulang, masih ni pak, nak beli silkia, nak apa deh berapa yang silkia bah. Ini kita pelang jadi bahasa ni dalam sekolah, berapa kita support juga dengan ïaki kita kerja dengan kita itu kan. Kayak gini apa yang nanti
For myself, for my daughter, I'm concerned about my daughter because see, if the toilets are very dirty, so the whole day she doesn't go to the toilet, then health issues arises. They don't want to drink water, or they don't want to go to the toilet. Some children have suffered because they get UTI also because of that. So mainly it concerns their health also, no? The students' health, the children's health. So if the sanitation is not good, imagine the health, the condition of the students also. So mainly the complaint is about the toilets because it's affecting them a lot. They have to, when they come back to school, they just run. They say, "Mommy, we didn't go." So it's really, there's so many children have suffered because of that, and a lot of girls have, they're getting UTI because of the toilets. There's no water. If they want to go, there's no water. So how can they, there's no water in the school. Water should be provided, right, in the toilets. There's so many toilets, but without water. So how can they go? The classroom situated near the toilets, they stink, and the class teachers have to spray room fresheners, which is also not good for the children, the small kids, especially class 1, class 2 kids. So everything, all these issues we have brought up when they call us for parent-teacher meeting. We've told them, but nothing has been done till now. So we are most concerned about our children. So we want a change. And then the muddy field. There are about more than 2,000 students here. They don't have a place to play. They have to play in the driveway during lunch, which is not safe. Suppose a car comes, if there are any injuries, we are concerned as parents. So that's why we are with the teachers, protesting together with the teachers.
Already, one pizza.
that if they can be used and propagated by your own, bucket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.